9 years. 9 years since I've been in front of the people, so. Live, breathing, reaching up to touch me, grab at me. I'm kind of scared, I don't mind admitting it to you. Man, I just hope I remember the lyrics.
You look wonderful. I've never seen you look better.
But can you still sing? Can the boy still cut it? I ain't no end of way on you, man.
And now for the news, locally. And Elvis Presley arrived this morning in Las Vegas to appear at the first major hotel built off the Strip, the International. It's Elvis' first public appearance after nearly...
First time here was Chucky Green, remember Red?
These are years of significant
10,000 for the week there on the bond.
rock and roll.
That was way back,
His music endured.
1956,
And he survived the revolutionary years.
almost 15 years ago.
Yeah, I know.
He attempts his return by playing the most
It
critical
wasn't-
crowd in showbiz.
It wasn't a crowd that night, eh?
An Elvis entertainment. His only other appearance in the city was at the peak of his popularity and was marked by failure and rejection. Historically, no performer has ever flopped in Las Vegas and returned successful. No doubt Elvis Presley is the most influential individual singer of his time. He revolutionized the entire music industry.
Maybe they're right, Red. Maybe it's all over.
Compete in today's market. Will the public
Hillbilly Cat was just a flash in the pan, you know, a novelty was worn off.
lost his throne forever?
You
Even
wait.
people are showing signs of
You're gonna knock him dead?
lives forever. And his surprising decision to do a comeback show at the International seems to be do or die for Elvis. Can he survive the most critical crowd in show business, Las Vegas? It just could be the beginning or the end for a brilliant.
I am a poor, wayfaring stranger, wandering through this land of woe, and there's no sickness, toil, no danger in that land to which I go. I'm going there to meet my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. I'll soon be free of every trial. Our bodies sleep in your graveyard. I'll drop my cross of self-denial and later on my great reward. I'm going there to meet my father. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan.